Hi, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about another project. But before that, this content is for informational and educational purposes only. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions. So without further ado, let's get into it. So guys, another project, Transoscope. Powerful harmonic pattern and chart pattern indicators for traders. Transform your trading skills with our cutting-edge pattern recognition indicators. Free indicators for advanced technical analysis. Open source. Welcome to Trendoscope where we are found. Open source. Welcome to Trendoscope where we are proud to offer a vast collection of open source resources and tools for the trading community. We believe in the power of collaboration and knowledge sharing, which is why more than 90% of our work is open source. Free. Our commitment to openness and accessibility drive us to provide over 95% of our work free of charge. We understand that trading can be a complex and challenging endeavor, and we want to support traders of all backgrounds and experience levels by providing them with valuable resources without any cost barriers. Tutorials. Discover our collection of informative tutorials designed to empower you with valuable knowledge. Dive into the world of technical analysis, explore the intricacies of harmonic patterns, chart patterns, and Elliott waves, and unlock the secrets of quantitative analysis. Innovative concepts. Embark on a journey of innovation with our cutting edge concepts. Explore groundbreaking ideas and revolutionary approaches to technical analysis. From advanced technical indicators to unique strategies, our innovative concepts will inspire you to push the boundaries and unlock new possibilities. Just click here. So, chat patterns. At Trendoscope, we've dedicated years to exploring and developing technical analysis tools, focusing on chart patterns like harmonic patterns, reversal patterns, Elliott waves, and more. Classical technical indicators. So, we have here zigzag anchored tails. The zigzag tails indicator, a groundbreaking tool from Trendoscope, redefines technical analysis by seamlessly integrating anchored VWAPS volume weighted average prices and average price calculation with zigzag pivot points and editor picks. We have SIP evaluator and screener. The SIP evaluator and screener Trendoscope is a fine script indicator designed for trading view to calculate and visualize systematic investments plan SIP returns across multiple investments instruments. And next, Elliott waves. ABC corrective pattern on recursive zigzag. These are several implementations of ABC pattern in TradingView and PineScript. Next, filters. Relative bandwidth filter. A simple indicator that can help traders define their trading zone based on the volatility and relative bandwidth filter, a simple indicator that can help traders define their trading zone based on the a simple indicator that can help traders define their trading zone based on the volatility identified by the bandwidth of band-based technical indicators such as Bollinger Band, Keltner channel, or Donchian channel. Free and popular indicators. At Trendoscope, we've dedicated years to exploring and developing technical analysis tools focusing on chart patterns like harmonic patterns, reversal patterns, Elliott waves, and more. Fundamentals. SIP Evaluator and Screener. The SIP Evaluator and Screener Trendoscope is a fine script indicator designed for TradingView to calculate and visualize systematic investment plan SIP returns across multiple investments instruments. The Auto Harmonic Screener Ultimate X is a sophisticated trading view indicator designed to automatically detect and screen for a wide range of harmonic patterns across multiple zigzags levels. Have you ever heard of the word repainting and wondered what it is? Let's have a look and try to understand the implications of repainting better. Repainting is a phenomenon in which the indicator change its stance when it gets new informations and replaces old drawings or paints with new ones. Next is premium indicators. The divergence screener is a powerful trading view indicator designed to detect and visualize bullish and bearish divergence, including hidden divergence between price action and a user selected oscillator. Built with flexibility in mind, it allows traders to customize the oscillate, oscillator type, trend, premium harmonic pattern, and chart pattern indicators. So, how it works? To get started, follow these simple steps. Trading View account. Create a free Trading View account if you do not have one already. Most of our indicators are built on the trading platform. You will not be able to use our work without a Trading View account. Paid Trading View subscription are not mandatory to use either free or premium indicators. Trendoscope knowledge base. Go through Trendoscope knowledge base.